Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel aetna dental insurance. So all steps you can see on your screen. So I want to tell you the only method to cancel your dental insurance, that is you can say via calling method, or you can send them and you can say application letter. So the first method is that you need to contact with the customer support team by dialing this number. Okay, as you can see on your screen, so this is the number and you can dial any number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance and dental insurance, and they will guide you each and every information related to your insurance. And you can cancel your insurance via calling. Okay, and they will guide you each and every step, that the policy of the cancellation and how much time you need to cancel your insurance and all. So but make sure if anyone is dead by you can say bad luck, then you need to be provide like death certificate in case of you can say death. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment and I will reply you very soon. And if you have any kind of other method, that is you can say they have also provided a second method, that is you can say you need to type a letter and you need to send this letter on this mail address, and you can use this mail address. And what is the letter? The letter you can see on your screen. So this is the letter, so I will show you. So this is the letter, and over here you can see each and every information, and I will provide you this information in our video description box also. And you can say over here you can see this is the details of cancellation letter, and I have mentioned each and every information in this letter, like I want to cancel my dental insurance policy, and this should be in the subject area, and you need to write each and every information. You can make a pause on but make sure you have provide your policy number and your name, your date of birth, your registered email ID, registered phone number, and each and every information when you provided in the you can say this letter. You need to send this letter on this you can say address, and once you send the letter, when they receive your address and once they receive your request, they will cancel your you can say subscription. But you need to tell them on call or on email, please provide you can say confirmation email, or you can say confirmation letter, or any kind of confirmation proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your aetna you can say dental insurance. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.